In today's video, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp notification sound. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you are on the home page, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From here, find Notifications and click on it to open your alert preferences. Did you know that customizing your notification sounds for different contacts or groups can help you prioritize your messages without even looking at your phone? Once you are in the Notifications menu, look under the Messages section and click on Notification Tone. You can now select from the built-in options provided, or if you prefer a personal touch, you can click on My Music to select a custom file from your device's folders. You can follow this exact same process under the Groups and Calls sections if you want to modify those specific alert sounds as well. And that's it. That's how you change your WhatsApp notification sound.